welcome back students to one more session of your P block chapter. So I've successfully completed your group 15. I've covered every topic possible for your board exam. After 15th group, that is your nitrogen family, instead of going into group 16 and 17, I've come into group 18 because basically I want to go to a lighter note, then again start with your group 16. So group 18 we very well know it includes the inert gas elements and or they're also called as noble gases. So important question from here will be asked from the structure of xenon compounds. So we'll also see certain 1 mark questions. So let's see what do we have in group 18 elements. So what are group 18 elements? Group 18 elements or the noble gases include helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are all your inert gas elements which are completely filled sufficiently. So when I take about helium, NS2, like that, NS2 and P, everything all are filled, completely filled. That is why they are inert in nature. So we'll be writing the configuration also. So whenever I speak about helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, the most important question which is frequently asked, let us do this and start with the topic. Now they've asked me, if they ask like 1 mark question, name the following most abundant noble gas in the atmosphere. So the most among all these, the most abundant noble gas in the atmosphere is argon. So let us write the first answer as argon. Next one, radioactive noble gas. We very well know radon is a radioactive noble gas. Okay, let us write this also, radon. Next, noble gas with least boiling point. Among all these, helium is a noble gas which has least boiling point. We'll also write the reason for this, helium. Next would be noble gas forming large number of compounds. I said xenon. Xenon is going to form or combine with your water molecule. It's going to combine with oxygen. So we'll be learning the structure of that. So noble, the element which forms large number of compounds is xenon. Then after that, noble gas not present in atmosphere. When I have to speak about the noble gas which is not present in atmosphere, same, radon, that is your radioactive element, that is radon. So these are your answers. So just note it for your information. Let's come back and start with the main concept of the chapter.